What's up, guys? All right, day 4. It's not raining. It's 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, just popped out of bed. Kind of looked out the window and saw it wasn't raining, and that's it. Kind of had a late night last night, but I'll tell you guys about that. I gotta grab a coffee first, though. ¿Cómo te ha estado tratando la vida?
Bien. Gracias.
Alright, well, just got to the skate park and it happened. Anyway, let me tell you about last night. I finished editing the video. It was like 11:30 or something like that. It's like I had to go to Dunkin' Donuts to use the Wi-Fi. So I skated there. Nice little skate at night, you know. Did everything, got home, looked at the video, and for some reason when I exported the video, I slow-moed one clip in the video. And for some reason after that, everything, all the audio was delayed. So, deleted the video, had to head back to Dunkin' Donuts. Long story short, got home at like 1:30. Anyway, today we have work at 1 o'clock, so our time frame is learn a trick right now, pretty much. There's kind of open patches-ish, so maybe I'll wait a couple of minutes, but I didn't really think about the phone being in the rain. I didn't care about me like being soaked or falling, but I'm gonna have to like come up with something. All I brought was this towel and this coffee. Maybe I can make some sort of housing for it, or I don't know. But oh, yeah. All right, coming down pretty hard now. This isn't looking good. The idea of doing a trick in the rain seemed a lot cooler in my head. I don't think this is gonna happen. It's too hard to actually learn a trick in the rain. Maybe doing one, you can pull it off, but I think it's gonna be pretty difficult, and it's coming down decently hard right now. So, I'm gonna call an Uber. I don't even know. I think we're gonna go to somewhere with an awning. And I'm gonna try a ledge trick while we wait for the Uber to get here. That's dangerous.
It's raining a little bit, but it's humid, right?
Yeah, very humid.
Yes.
Yep. All right, guys, just got to this awning spot here. I'm gonna try to learn a laser flip on flat ground. I was gonna try to learn a trick at the skate park. Maybe if it was all cement, it wouldn't be so slippery, but this door's open. Hopefully I don't get kicked out, because that wouldn't be a good look. Close that door. A little too slippery. Maybe if it was a cement park, I could try it, but anyway, before we get kicked out of here, I'm gonna try to learn a laser flip on flat ground. Maybe. The trick takes so much effort. All right, not really feeling that one. I'm gonna try to learn a wall ride nollie out. Like really popular trick, especially in New York. Never done it, never even thought to try it. So let's give it a shot. We got a wall. We have dryness. Supposed to put your foot on the nose, I guess. All right, I think we got this one. My heel on the wall. Yeah. It just started pouring the second I landed that. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get a cleaner one, but I'm pretty psyched I got that. So also this wall here that goes out. Kinda wanna try to wall ride nollie off the wall. I don't know, I'm gonna get soaked. Maybe I'll try a couple. Let me get another cleaner one and then we'll see what happens. Alright, that one felt better. Should we take it to the wall? I think so. The other wall, you know what I mean. Got nowhere to film from that would make it look good, but it should be alright. Wish me luck. Alright, so with the lack of grip from my wet old skateboard, these shoes, not much grip in the rain. Alright, I think my nose and board in general is just getting a little too wet. I'm like slipping off as I'm going up. What am I saying? Try a couple more. My board's super waterlogged right now, so if I don't get close to this try, we'll call it. I can't really be messing around in the rain too much just for the sake of the rest of the challenge, so I'm psyched. I always wanted to learn that trick, so it's good. Definitely want to get it off that little wall when it's dry out. And that's it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 5. Just kidding. Just got out of work a little bit early. We got like an hour of sunlight. There's a few tricks I could try, but I can't break my deck, so it's got to be like a tail stall. So, not only back tail to 180 to no stall to revert. Oh my God. Yeah. Alright, so we had to get one more for good measure. Tomorrow's video, it's gonna be later in the day, probably midnight or something, because I'm working throughout the whole day. Not getting out till late, I don't think, so should be a late upload, but we made it through another day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.